Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to recover deleted email on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now, to recover your deleted emails on a Gmail account, first open up a Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us over here. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of menu will appear. We will be required to scroll down on this menu until we can find the trash over here, which is just below the spam. Tap on the trash and all of your deleted emails on your Gmail will be over here. Now, in order to recover your particular deleted email over here, tap to open the email which you want to recover. And after opening your particular email over here, guys, in order to recover this mail, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three dotted icon available for us at the top right. Tap on the three dotted icon over here, and you can see, guys, here it says the move to option is available for us over here. In order to recover it, tap on move to, and you can see we'll be required to tap on the primary over here, and that Gmail will be moved from trash to your primary email, which is over here. Again, tap on the three-lined icon at the top right, and let's scroll up, and you can see the primary mail over here, and your deleted mail will be moved to primary mail over here. And this is the way you will be able to recover deleted email. So let's do that again. Let's go to the trash and let's open up an email which you want to recover. Tap to open it, and this interface at the top right corner of the screen, there is a three dotted icon. Tap on the three dotted icon and tap on the move to button over here at the top of the list, and tap to primary. And with that being done, guys, that email on your Gmail will be recovered, and it will be available on the primary section of your email on your Gmail or email inbox of a Gmail account. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to recover your deleted email on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.